So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, one of the biggest hiring has been announced. TCS BSc Ignite hiring 2026 finally has been announced. So, in this video, I will cover all the details about the registration dates, about the last date registration, and who can register, and what are the process to get into it. Okay, so this is one of the first of all wonderful opportunity. I will suggest like this video so that we can reach more number of candidates. So register for TCS BSc Ignite hiring 2026 Accelerate to Great Career. So registration status opening soon means, as per the official post, they have mentioned that registration has been started, but it hasn't been started. But I think within 24 or 48 hours it will be started. Okay, so this post uh, has been given by the regional head. Okay, and the registration end date for this is 22 July. Okay, 2026 Wednesday, and test date will be 26th August 2026 Wednesday. So you are getting more than 2 months. So utilize this time. So now talking about the eligibility criteria, who are eligible for this. So TCS BSc Ignite hiring is an exclusive opportunity for candidates background in BCA, BSc in IT, computer science, math, data science, statistics, physics, केमिस्ट्री, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री। अगर इनमें से आप कोई भी ब्रांचेस से आप अगर आपने बीएससी किया है देन यू आर एलिजिबल। बिसाइड दैट अगर आपने बीसीए किया है या बीवॉक किया है सीएसआईटी से एंड 2026 पास आउट बैच है देन ओनली यू आर एलिजिबल। रिमेंबर, नो 2025 और 2027 बैच आर एलिजिबल, ओनली दिस इज फॉर 2026 pass out. And TCS Ignite key feature of the program that they have compensation package up to 2.5x with 1 to 2 year of employment, world class initial learning program, unique blend of technology and other things are there. Now the main things that how to register. Okay, so if you need a complete registration video, you can comment here. I will try to make a detailed video related to that. But just basic simple steps are there. That first of all you have to visit the TCS Next Step portal, click register now under the category IT domain. Okay, so when you will click here the TCS Next Step portal, then you have to basically register for the IT. Okay, so if you haven't registered, then just click here register, and you have to register in the IT domain, and just you have to provide the basic details like email ID, validate it, and just provide all those details. So fill in the detail to generate a reference ID and click apply for drive. This is important and mandatory steps. They have clearly mentioned that please ensure apply for drive is clicked. Okay, so this is wonderful opportunity. I will suggest everyone share this video among your friends. And talking a little bit more about the test process. So what is the actually test process? So duration of assessment is 120 minutes, means 2 घंटे का exam होगा, and it will divide into 4 section. So you have to just appear for the numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. Coding is optional, but I will suggest if you have some basic knowledge, then must practice it and just brush it up. Okay, besides that they have also provided some sample PDF. You can also refer to that about the kind of question they are asking in verbal ability, reasoning ability. So if you need this PDF, you can just go through the link in the description. I provide all the link there. You can directly check out there. Now remember, one thing is very very important, who are eligible, because eligibility criteria is very very important. So about the category, I have already said that 3-year full-time graduates are only eligible, means 4-year degree programs are not eligible like BTech. For them, hiring has already been completed. Okay, and minimum 50% or above or equivalent CGPA in each class 10, 12th and diploma if applicable, and graduation will include successful completion of final year. Backlog, no backlog at the time of appearing for TCS selection process is permitted, means you should not have any backlog, and gap in education is 24 month. Okay, besides that the age criteria is 18-year minimum and maximum 28-year, and work experience. So this role is for entry level recruitment. However, prior work experience, if any required, mandatory declared by the candidates. And if you have some experience, then it is mandatory to declare that. Besides that, you can just go through the FAQs. So just you have to work on these 3 areas: numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. Related to this, I will make a detailed video about the study plan and all those things. But for now, you just need to register. Okay, so whenever the registration started, I will provide all those updates. But I think by today or tomorrow it will start. And remember the date, that 22 July 26 last days. So this is one of the biggest hiring for the 3-year degree program. I hope this video informative to you. Make sure to subscribe us. We regularly post lots of important job updates for BSc, BCA, BCom or BE, BTech. So you can subscribe us, and कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta or anywhere, and you can ask your query there. मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.